all. I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kandwal. Your chapter number 3 is more about MS Word. So, student, today we are going to discuss related important topics in your previous video according. Okay? First is important topic is MS Word. You know very well, MS Word is a popular word processor program. Okay? MS Word is a popular word processor program. We can understand how to open a MS Word on our computer. Okay? Next, second, selecting text. Highlighting the text. It means highlighting the text. We can select properly text in our document with the help of a MS Word. Now, next third is editing. Editing means making corrections to a piece of text or document. Okay, editing means a proper meaning of changes. To changes something our document related to any kind of text. To changes correction to help of a editing. Okay. Next and last fourth is important point, spelling and grammar. You know very well how to work spelling and grammar in MS Word. A feature in MS Word that allow us to check spelling and grammar. It helps to check our spelling and grammar related to mistake, find out to help of a MS Word, and its shortcut key is F7. Welcome again, class 4. Chapter 3 is your more about MS Word, and all students know very well what's your chapter name. Your chapter name is more about MS Word. Okay? Dear students, and what we discussed about in this chapter? Dear students, this is a blank document of a MS Word, and today I am going to typing 2 lines to are related in your books. So students, let's see how to write a proper in a document, in a blank document in MS Word. So students, see properly, I am going to typing 2 lines related in MS Word. Firstly, starting with, I am writing MS space Word, write in a W in a caps Word, and after I am using all small letter. Word 2010 is a popular word processing program of the and again I am using caps lock key MS Office, then O, caps, using caps lock key, and after I'm using
small letter. Double F-I-C-E. MS Office. Again using caps S and after small suite. Okay, MS Word 2010 is a popular word processing program of the MS Office suite. Okay, student, and then after we using in features of related tabs. Okay, we using in home tab feature. See student, in home tab we using B means bold. Okay, all the whole sentence to using bold key. Firstly we select. Okay, selecting all whole sentences, and after we will click in B means bold. Okay, so click and see. So student, it changes to in bold. Okay, means bold letter. Whole sentences change in a bold letters. Okay, now we are using next one. See, next is I means italic. Already we discussed about the keys. Next is italic, and we already selected this area means all whole sentences. Okay, after we click I means italic. See, now changes its form. It changes in a italic form. Now student, next we will say in underline feature. Okay, underline feature, how to use a underline in a whole sentence. Students, next we will see in use of a underline feature. Okay, firstly same as it is, selected all sentences. Okay, and after we will click in view. See, underline, it's called underline. We click and see. Okay, so it's changed to a underline feature. Okay, now it's underlined properly all whole sentence. Okay, same as it is, we can click again, we will see again same as it is, same, we come in a same features. Okay, again. Okay student, understand, and we can use shortcut key also. Okay, which one? Control plus I. Okay, control plus I means italic. See student, control plus B. Okay, see, control plus B we can use in a bold feature. See, this is a control, and control plus I, press G. Okay, both and see, change into a italic form. Okay, come on a next topic means next feature. It's a font size. Okay, this is a font size feature, and we can click the to increase this size. Okay, we can choose 22. See, its size is increasing. Okay, next we will select in 28. So student, see properly, size already increases. Okay, so student, and next is a grow font. Okay, what is a grow font? Means we can click just simply A, means it's a grow font feature. Press the, so size is increasing, and after we can see next one, small A means 2, size decreasing. Okay, with press a small means grow font size feature. Okay, now come on a next feature. Next is left. Okay, means alignments. 4 types of alignment. First is left, L. Press the left, and firstly understand student, listen properly. Before applied this feature, firstly selected whole. Okay, firstly selected all sentence means your choice is you will select this only one line, you will select this whole sentence. Okay, whole sentence will be selected, and after we can choose this any feature. Okay, next student, see, next is your center. Okay, control plus E. Okay, and before we will see control plus L means a left, already used in a paragraph. Okay, 2 lines. Okay, and next is a control plus E means center. Only click this. See, this 2 lines shifted on a center side. Okay, then next is your right means control plus R means a right. Okay, we will press and click the alignment and see next changes in a shifted in a right side. Okay, student, and then next alignment is a next is your last alignment. Fourth means justify. Okay, it's used in left and right margins. Okay, adding extra space between words as necessary. Okay, and then click to show justify, justify low, justify medium, justify high. So click justify medium. So changes. Okay, so this is a justify means alignment. We will click next justify low. Say this. Okay, so it's alignment of it, name of alignment justify, student. Clear? And next is justify high. Click and then changes again. Okay, so it's very simple. We can use in this feature for related home tab. Okay, and next, student, we can choose this next feature means shading. Okay, just click shading option and we can pick this. Okay, which one? Wow, it's very beautiful, yellow color. And next we will see properly many color option, many feature, more color feature option in this theme colors related to our shading feature. Okay, and we can pick this any color. Okay, you want to pick any color I'm using this color. Okay, click this color and okay, after you can see this changes in this color. Okay, clear? So students, next we will see next is insert tab. Okay, just click insert tab and we can choose this features shapes. Okay, shapes feature. Click shape feature and click any one, any pick to us shape. We will choose a star. Okay, then click and apply from your document. See, like this. Okay, and then drawing tools features available and in your document, and we can choose and apply any drawing tools features. Okay, with color. So I'm using this color green. Okay, then click the green and see it's a star shape. Okay, then student, one more, pick a next shape. Okay, which one? Next I'm going to pick a smiley. Okay, it's very nice smiley face. Click just and apply the bottom side. So it's a smiley. Next steps is your pick any color. Okay, same as it is. So I'm going to pick a blue one. Okay, just click and change this color. Okay, we can change already. We can pick other color and click this. Okay, same. So it's very simple. And after we will see student, next we will see in according to chapter page layout. Just simply click page layout. Then we can choose a page color. Okay, we will going to use a page color. So just click and choose any color. Okay, simply you choose this any color. So it's a, say student, this is a red color. Okay, and I'm going to apply this color. Okay, just click. After you will see your page color is all whole red, change in a red color. Okay, see like this. Okay, students, if you want to not apply any color, so just click no color. Okay, which one option, students? No color. So click it, no color properly. Then after you will see, so color is already gone. Okay. So student, you all are very understand properly how to type text, how to type a paragraph in MS Word, and how to use features to related different tabs in MS Word. So students, this is your basic feature in MS Word, how to type a simple text in MS Word, okay, and how to apply different types of font, colors, okay, and size. Okay. Now, come on. Next, we already discussed about the word processing. Okay, you know very well the definition of a word processing. All students listen properly. Word processing is the use of computer software and to enter and edit text features also available. We know very well word processing. In this word processing, and Microsoft Word is a word processing program. Yes. And we discussed after advantages of word processing. Means text can be easily formatted. Okay, professional looking results. Means we can correct these mistakes. We can use the spelling and grammar features to correct this mistake of a spellings. Okay, we can text, write automatically. Use the which one? Word wrap. Okay, word wrap feature already we use to form new lines. Okay, students, so all are advantages of word processing. Okay, next is your text formatting. Means we know very well text formatting. What is a text formatting? Means it's look attractive, make the text and appear you would to use. The normally features are which one? We use different fonts, okay, different text sizes, different alignments. We know about the 4 types of alignments like left, center, right, or justified. Good. Next, bold, underline, italics, bullet points, all features are available in a text formatting. Okay, student? Now, next class 4th, create a new document. We know very well how to create a document. It's very simple. Okay. There are several ways to create new document in Word. Okay, open existing document, save document, etc. Firstly, we will go and click on Microsoft Office, yes, button, okay, and then click on new or press means Control plus N means new. Okay, new document window will appear. Then second, select the blank document and click on create button. After new blank document will appear. Now start typing your data. It's very simple to create a new document. Now next, see a copy. We already discussed related about a copy option. Okay, to make an extract copy of information in your document means we can use the copy option to shift one to other document. Same as it is, use shortcut key Control plus C. Next, we discuss about formatting text. In formatting text, we use different types of style, size, colors, font. Okay, this option is very helpful and available in MS Word software. Now, look, student, we will see how to save document, means how to create many option to related. This is the office button. Okay, see properly, this is the office button, and click firstly click office button, and after we can see here is a many option. First is new. Okay, we can create a new document. We just click a new option. Okay, after we will see open. Okay, open the any documents, and then next save. It's a save option. We can save any data, and then save as, print, prepare, send, publish, and last close the document. Next, student, see, this is a dialog box. What is this? Actually, this is a dialog box of save as option. Okay, we can save to again in our document to see the save properly save as option. This is a dialog box of a save as option. Okay. And next is a new document dialog box. See properly, student. This is very helpful. Already I give you example. And new document helps to choose the new page. Okay, and after we click the create button. Okay, and new document available, new page is available in your document. Okay. Now student, today we are going to discuss about the let's recall means points of in your chapters. Okay, number first, MS Word is a popular word processor. Okay, program of the MS Office suite. Okay. Then selecting text means highlighting the text. We are already in this discussed chapter. Selecting text means highlighting the text. Okay. Then text selection can be done using both the help of a mouse and keyboard. Yes. And third point is editing means to do correction and modification in our document to make it error free. It works to free error and correction. Then fourth, moving the text means to exactly remove text from one location and put it somewhere else. Okay, means shift it to new place. And this is done using the cut paste options. Okay. Then next, copying the text means to make a copy of text. It works to copy of text and place it elsewhere. Then this is done using the help of a copy and paste option. Okay. Then next is point 6. The undo option helps us to reverse the last action. Okay, and short form is Ctrl plus Z. Okay, the repeat option repeats the action undone using the undo command. Shortcut is Ctrl plus Y. Then next 7, the spelling and grammar command button it works to check the spelling and grammar of the text in your document. Yes. Then last point, using find and replace features, you can find a particular text, okay, and string in your document, replace it with another text string. Next student, see, come on, next topic, terms to learn. Okay, number first, word processor. You know very well a special type of software which allow us to work with text to create text documents. Okay, word processor means to create a special type of software means we can type anything, okay, with the help of MS Word. Then next, editing, making corrections. Simply we will say making corrections to a piece of text or document. Yes. Then next, moving. Moving means removing a piece of text from one place to another, pasting it some other place. Next, copying a piece of text means from one location and pasting it at another location. Okay. Next, students, spelling and grammar feature. It helps to check for spelling and grammar related error, remove the error in a document. Okay. Now next, students, open your book and we will complete today activity number page number 48 and worksheet 1 to 4. Let's start activity page number 40 and fill it into a proper book. Number first, Ratan wants to make sure that she does not have any spelling errors, okay, in her essay. So which she is writing in MS Word and what feature of MS Word she should use. So answer is spelling and grammar feature. Okay, write properly spelling and grammar features. Yes. Then second question, Meena wants to replace the word find by found throughout her document. What feature of MS Word should she use? She used find and replace feature. What she used? Find and replace feature. So write, student, class 4th, write properly, fill in your book. Student, then next, everyone open your worksheet number first and question is fill in the blanks, okay, with the help of the help box. Editing, copy, word processing, paste, undo and remove options are also available, okay. Then next, number first, MS Word is a popular dash program. Student, what is the answer? Word processing, yes. And next, the dash and dash commands are used to create duplicate copy of selected text. Which one? Guess the properly answer. Copy and paste. Okay. Then next, moving text means to dash text from one location and place it in another location. So what the answer? Remove. Yes. Then next, when we make changes to a document, it is called dash. But we use the changes. We use changes in our editing. Okay, right editing. Then next, fifth, the dash option helps to reverse the last action. Which one? Undo. Yes, answer is undo. Then next, student, worksheet numbers 3. Okay, come on. Then turn the page, worksheet number 3. Open properly, true and false question. Okay. First, redo means to cancel a command given earlier. So student, is this correct? No, it's a false, right? False. Then next, to select a single work, we need to triple click on it. So it's false. Okay, to select a single work, we need to triple click on it. It's false. So next, word allow us to insert text within an already typed text. Yes, it's true. The next fourth, the spelling and grammar command button is situated under the which tab? Review tab. It's true. The next, last, find and replace buttons are situated in the paragraph group of home tab. So students, false. Okay, it's false. Next and last, it's your worksheet number 4. Okay, come on, open your worksheet number 4, match the columns correctly. So student, match, we will match correctly and we can choose both. We can put the number and we can use matching. Okay, both are correct. So first, home tab. Home tab answer is editing group. Which what we'll find the home tab? We will find home tab in editing group. Okay. Then next, review tab. Review tab we will find in spelling and grammar. Okay. The next 3, triple click. Triple click is selecting a paragraph. Then next, fourth, ribbon. Ribbon, we find ribbon in our tabs and command buttons. Yes. Then last, cut and paste, moving text. This answer, moving a text. So students, your today's homework is write terms to learn in your fair notebook, computer notebook, and worksheet number 1 to 4 and with activity page number 48. Okay, do in your book. Okay students.